welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do a makeup look with the new palette of TRESLUCE Beauty, which is their holiday palette. They also launched their holiday collection besides, of course, the palette, which is Becky G's makeup line. So before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel, and let's get started. Here's the new palette of their holiday collection of TRESLUCE Beauty. New to this channel, I already opened this palette, already played with it, already did swatches, and it is because I have 3 channels which I purchase a palette. I do different makeup looks for the 3 channels, 3 different languages. I always tell you guys if it's my first time using the palette or if I use it like today. After that being said, let's show you guys the palette. I'm so excited. So that's why I'm red today. My nails are red. So so excited. I'm so excited even though I already opened it, but it's like, oh my god, you know, when you're so excited about something, that's how I'm feeling today. Anyways, okay, let's get into it. Here is the package of TRESLUCE Beauty. It's called Tres Reinas, which means the 3 queens. It's a shadow palette. It's gold. I love how it looks. It's so beautiful with this gold and white letters, and at the edges we have this Christmas flower, which it's called, oh my god, I don't remember the name in English. Oh my god, this in Spanish is called Noche Buenas, but in English is called poinsettias. Now I remember, it's called poinsettias. So we have all these poinsettias around the box, which is beautiful. Love it. And at the back we have all the information, the ingredients, and it says this cruelty-free and vegan limited edition palette features 18 matte and shimmer shades infused with Mexican blue agave, delivering a unique softness with every blendable stroke. A removable keepsake mirror makes it easy to create the most beautiful looks for all your holiday parties. Oh my god, so excited. Okay, so let's open the packet, the palette. Let's open the little box. So inside has this turquoise color. I thought it was gonna be red, but no. Then we have this extra protection, which this reminds me, is not about comparing, but when I saw it, it reminded me of the protection of R.E.M Beauty. If you saw this on my channel, I show you guys when I opened it. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave the link down below. We have this extra protection, and let's get into the palette. As you guys can see, the packet and the palette is completely different. So here we have the palette. We have 3 beautiful girls. Bottom it says TRESLUCE, Tres Reinas, 3 queens. Have around the poinsettias, and if you see very closely, their color of their shirt is different. Each girl has a different color of eyeshadow. Their earrings are different, which pops with this gold, and also their style of hair is different. Top it says TRESLUCE, Tres Reinas, and at the back it says the same thing as the box. It's a shadow palette, vegan, and it's beautiful. It's gold. So let's get into it. So here is the palette. Here is the palette. We have this removable mirror, which at the beginning I was like, please give us this removable mirror again. Let's talk about the mirror first. Okay, hold on, I'm having trouble with it. So we have this removable mirror, is magnetic, same design of what of the palette. Love the mirror of the first palette. Put it this way, or you can put it like it the normal way and just put it on top if you need some space to put your fingers. And on the back we have this message from Becky G. Here are the shadows of Maravilla, Estrellas, Luna Llena, Piñatas, Crystal, Cheers, Candies, Royalty, Inolvidable, Poinsettias, Baila, Año Nuevo, Corazón Feliz, Familia, Regalitos, Celebration, Midnight, Tradiciones. Okay, so let's read what it says on the back of the mirror. So it says, Mis amores, I'm so excited to know Holy Reinas palette, a nod to the holiday season. This limited edition palette takes you on a journey through posadas, celebrated throughout Latin America, specifically in my Mexico lindo y querido, for 9 nights, known as Novena Posadas, is a time when our families and friends come together to celebrate the story of Christmas. We eat, dance, and sing, and just have an amazing time as we head into Nochebuena. Every detail of this palette, from shades to our tres reinas and the poinsettias in the illustration, highlights posadas and the holidays. But no matter how you celebrate, I can't wait to see how you use this palette to create your own unique look. Happy holidays. I love, Becky G. Oh, I love you too. I'm always get excited. So the message, I really feel it's her that is talking to us. A completely different message from her first palette, which is amazing. And we as customers, as fans of Becky G, that we see her on social media, on TV, it's definitely a nice touch to it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so let's put back the mirror with the swatches. Okay, so we have Maravilla, Estrellas, Luna Llena, Piñatas, and Crystal. Maravillas, Estrellas, Luna Llena, Piñatas, and Crystal. Have Cheers, Candies, Royalty, Inolvidable, Poinsettias. Have Cheer, Candies, Royalty, Inolvidable, Poinsettias. Baila, Año Nuevo, Corazón Feliz, Familia, Regalitos. Baila, Año Nuevo, Corazón Feliz, Familia, Regalitos. Celebration, Midnight, Tradiciones. Here are all the swatches of the palette. As you guys can see, they're so pigmented. Love the shimmer ones. I love this one. I think it's black with this in shimmer. So the first color I'm going to use is the color Candies. I'm going to just use the color to set the concealer that I already applied before. I already did my entire makeup on my face, so we're gonna do that just to set. Now we're gonna grab again this color and kind of concentrate on what is the crease, because as you guys can see, it's not really a color that you would actually like set your concealer. I feel like it has more like a pinky tone. So we can use this also and add more color to it and apply it as our transition color. So let's do that. Okay, I'm gonna do this. So the first color that I'm gonna grab is the color Regalitos, which is this color right here. I'm going to apply this color on. Wow, it is so pigmented. I didn't thought it was gonna be that pigmented. So I'm going just to apply it on the crease, grabbing again Regalitos, and Regalitos means presents. So I'm going to apply this also on this side of my crease. I don't know if it's gonna go with what I'm thinking with Midnight, but we'll see. I'm gonna go with Tradiciones with the same flat brush. I feel like this one, it's a little bit darker, and this one I'm going, yeah, it's definitely a little bit darker. I apply it on the corner and going towards the middle, but I'm just gonna stop right there. Yeah, definitely love these two. And grabbing again tradiciones, and tradiciones means traditions. I feel like all the names that she added is definitely the holiday descriptions of words that we feel and say, especially during the holidays. Start blending the color just like that. These two can be a beautiful makeup look for fall or for winter. Okay, I have the feeling I want to do what makeup, maybe for Sunday, even though I don't think we're gonna go anywhere. Okay, now let's move on to the color I really want to use, which is called Midnight. So I'm going to apply it with my finger. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, okay. So this is, I thought it might be like a maybe, I don't know. Well, definitely this is like a black eyeshadow color. I'm doing the same thing on this side. I don't know if I'm liking this color. Oh my god, this is not what I expected. Let me grab a flat brush and start making the shape of my lid, and I'm going to kind of drag it out. This one could be a nice shadow if you do like a smoky eye, or with the gray or silver. You could add a touch of this eyeshadow. I don't know why I didn't thought it was gonna be like a black eyeshadow, because I'm not really fan of putting like that black eyeshadow. So after that, I'm going to use the color Celebration and add burgundy underneath the eyes. Remember, I'm trying to do a makeup look with colors that we need to grab. I've seen that it looks pretty when the color underneath the eyes is different than what you have on top, but I don't know what I'm feeling about this one. Now let's go and grab the color Luna Llena. Luna Llena means full moon. So let's grab full moon. So I'm basically I was going to apply this one on the inner corner of my eyes, but to basically have a pop of shimmer on the makeup, let's add it here and finish it here. So doing the same thing on this eye, so it's not too black. I don't know why I feel like the midnight was gonna be something else. Maybe because I thought those little glitters were gonna pop more. So that's it. Voila, this is the final makeup look. Right now that I'm really like looking at it, I feel like I like it more than before, but like I said before, it's not the eyeshadow that I thought it would be, but I think we made it work. However, I don't think I would add this one on the lids, but I would add midnight underneath the eyes. Remember, this is my preference, but I like, as you guys can see, the eyeshadows were super pigmented. I still have it on my hand. I need to remove it before something happens, but love it. I love it so much. I mean, this is definitely a holiday palette, and it is a really festive palette. However, oh my god. However, I feel like I really wanted a red eyeshadow, and that's because we are talking about posadas, which are a Mexican tradition, and posadas, we have definitely the poinsettias. Really see the poinsettias everywhere. It's something that in Mexico, I feel like it's a flower that it's there during December, and I feel like the red been a perfect eyeshadow color on this palette. I was expecting the red on the first palette just because I feel like red, it's a color that it's in the Mexican tradition. So I really wanted this red on this one. I really thought she was gonna put the red on this palette, but she didn't. But yeah, it's just the only but. Love that she add a different message. In the first palette, we have again the removable mirror, which is awesome. I have two mirrors because you guys know I always use the other mirror from the blue palette, from the R.E.M palette. Love the unique names on each eyeshadow. It only represents posadas in general. Love it so much. I love the color piñatas porque piñatas, it's always there during the posadas. Love the gold, love the poinsettias, love the design, everything. I feel like it's definitely her. I just love it. Now I have the other palette with me, and I just wanted to come out so you guys can see that is the same size. This shadows, we have the poinsettias, and on this palette we have the agave on some eyeshadows, but I don't see one that might be the same. Maybe Baila en Amor could be the same, but I feel like they're kind of, one it's darker than the other one. Like any repetitive color, which is awesome, so we can play with both of them. I feel like we have more option from TRESLUCE Beauty, but I love it. And also you can put it like this as a display on wherever you have your makeup. It looks so beautiful like that. I think I'm gonna put them like this because I have them like that with all my palettes, but I feel like this will be awesome like this. Oh, that looks so cool and so cute. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know. I feel like I want to do a holiday makeup look with this palette, so I think I'm gonna do that for next week. If you're new to this channel, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh no, and I'll put my social media over here. Remember, I have Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook, and I'll put it over here. Celin is her. That's how you can find me. And now I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.